Children, let us construct triangle using the ASA. Here ASA means angle, side, angle. That means consider a rough figure. Let it be PQR. Here if angle Q and angle R is given, and also the included side, which is the included side, that is QR. So Q and R is given and QR is given. The side QR is given. We can construct triangle using this. That is ASA. So let us do one example. Construct triangle XYZ where XY is equal to 4 centimeter and angle X is equal to 60 degree and angle Y is equal to 50 degree. So here, which is the included side, that is XY, and the two angles are angle X and angle Y. So how we can construct this triangle? First of all, we want to draw a line segment with the measure 4 centimeter. So let us look into the rough figure. X, Y, Z. Here XY is given as 4 centimeter, angle X is 60 degree and angle Y is 50 degree. So first we want to draw a line segment 4 centimeter. Here we want to draw a line segment with a 4 centimeter. For that, going to draw so this is the line segment and let us name it as XY. Then from X we want to measure 60 degree. So place the midpoint of that protractor at the point X and measure 60 degree. So that is 60. Then we want to draw a line through this point. Then from Y we want to take 50 degree. So here from this we want to take 50 degree. So here from this side we want to take 50. So here 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So here we want to take 50. Then draw another line through this point. Then we got a triangle and let us name this point as Z. That is angle X is 60 degree and angle Y is 50 degree and this measure is 4 centimeter. So this is the construction of triangle using ASA. That means angle, side and angle. That means two angles and included side are given. We can construct this triangle. Next construction, that is RHS. Here we want to construct right triangles. R for right angle. We know that one of the angle in a right angle is 90 degree and H means hypotenuse and S means any one of the sides. For example, let it consider this as a right triangle. PQR is a right triangle. Here angle Q and PR is the hypotenuse. Any one of these sides, that means QR or PQ is given, we can construct the triangle PQR. This is the way we can construct a right triangle using RHS. Then how we can construct? Here how we can construct. First of all, we want to draw a rough figure. Here this is a rough figure and it is given that angle N equal to 90 degree. So this is the angle N and it is measured as 90. Then MP is 10 centimeter. So MP means here MP is 10 centimeter. So this is the hypotenuse and measure is 10 centimeter. And MN is 8 centimeter. Then how we can construct these triangles? For that, first we want to draw a line segment MN with measure 8 centimeter. So let us draw. 8 centimeter. So here we can draw the line segment MN. Then which angle is 90? Angle N is 90. So here we want to extend this side. Since N is 90, from that 90 degree we want to extend that line segment. So here I want to extend, since N is 90, so I want to extend by dotted lines. Here I am going to extend. Then draw a perpendicular through the point N. Then only we will get a perpendicular side. That means one of the perpendicular of triangle MNP. So for that I want to draw an arc from the point N. Since both sides we want to draw an arc. Since I extend the line MN and draw arc on both of the point N. Both sides of the point N. Then this arc touches the 2 points. Then from this point again I want to draw one arc. From this point I draw one arc. Then another point also I draw another arc. Then these two arcs join at a point. Then draw perpendicular. Then we get angle N is 90 degree. What we did, first draw the line segment with the measure 8 centimeter. Then since N is 90 degree, that side we want to extend. Then through N we want to draw a perpendicular. Then what is the perpendicular distance? Here it is 8 centimeter. And hypotenuse, what is the measure of hypotenuse? That is 10 centimeter. So from M we want to take 10 centimeter. So in the compass we want to take 10 centimeter. So this is 10 centimeter. Then from M we want to take 10 centimeter and draw an arc. So that arc touches the perpendicular at a point, then join that point with M. Then this is the point P. That means it is 10 centimeter and is 8 centimeter, and we can measure that it is measure. Then this is the way we can construct the triangle.